Hey there, viewers. Today, we're going to uncover some captivating facts about the multi-talented Janella Salvador. 1. Recording studio, Janella singing. Janella Salvador is not just an actress but also an incredible singer. Her soulful voice and exceptional talent have mesmerized audiences across the Philippines. She's a true star on and off the screen. 2. Film set, Janella acting. Janella's acting prowess shines through in various roles she has portrayed. From the charming romantic lead to complex characters, she has showcased her versatility and won the hearts of millions with her remarkable performances. 3. Award show, Janella holding trophy. Janella has received numerous accolades for her exceptional work. She has been nominated and awarded for her acting and singing talents, proving her dedication and skill in the entertainment industry. 4. Charity event, Janella helping children. Beyond her talent, Janella has a heart of gold. She actively participates in charitable activities and supports causes like children's welfare. Her compassion and generosity make her an inspiring role model. 5. Magazine cover, Janella looking stunning. Janella is not just talented but also a style icon. Her fashion choices and stunning looks have graced magazine covers, making her a trendsetter in the industry. She effortlessly exudes elegance and confidence. 6. Studio, Janella busy working. Janella is a hard-working and dedicated artist. Behind the scenes, she puts in the effort and commitment to perfect her craft, continually honing her skills and pushing her creative boundaries. And there you have it, folks. 6 mind-blowing facts about the remarkable Janella Salvador. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up.